In this video on managing money, we're looking at rates or contracts. To ensure you're getting the best deal, it's wise to compare rates or contracts before taking out or renewing with phone, gas, electricity, or currency providers. In this example, Emma wants a new phone contract. Her typical monthly usage is 95 minutes of calls, 700 texts, 225 megabytes of data. Which company should she choose? So we need to look at each of the three companies and determine which ones satisfy her criteria. So she wants 95 minutes of calls. Company A doesn't have enough, but B and C both exceed that amount. She wants 700 texts. Again, A doesn't meet the criteria, but B and C both exceed it. And she wants 225 megabytes of data, and the only company is B. So which company should she choose? She's going to choose the one that meets all three criteria. And you can see from the highlights that this is company B. So Emma should choose company B as this meets all of her typical monthly usage. Now in this example, Amber wants to buy a new car and needs to take out a £12,000 loan. Which company should she choose and how much interest will she pay in the first year? So we've got three companies. The interest rate is PA, which means per annum, which is per year. And we've got Zulu at 12%, Yankee at 11%, which is the smallest because Alpha has an interest rate of 13%. We want the smallest interest rate because then we're paying the least amount of money back. So Amber should choose Yankee to take out her loan. Now, the second part of the question asked us how much interest. It's 11% of our £12,000. And as this is per annum, that means that this will be the amount she pays in the first year. We know that 11% is the same as 11 over 100. And we're multiplying that by 12,000. We can write that as a decimal, 0.11 times 12,000. And that gives us a first year interest payment of £1,320. Now in our final example, Doug wants to convert £400 to euros. Which company should he use and how many more euros will he get by using that company? Now we can see that MoneyX has a rate of £1 to 1.12 euros, and Exchange has an exchange rate of £20 to 22.30 euros. Now these rates are difficult to compare because they are in different denominations. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the exchange rate for Exchange and we're going to convert that to work out what £1 is going to be worth in euros by dividing 22.30 by 20. And that gives us a rate of £1 to 1.115 euros. Now we need to make sure that we answer the question. So it asked the question, which company should Doug use? So we're going to compare the exchange rates for both companies. We can see that the exchange rate at MoneyX is higher because you're getting 1.12 euro for every pound as opposed to 1.115 euros for every pound at exchange. So Doug should choose MoneyX as it has a better rate. Now in B, we're asked how many more euros will he get at MoneyX. So first of all, we're going to work out how many euros we would get at MoneyX, and we do that by taking the £400 and multiplying it by the exchange rate of 1.12, and that gives us a total amount of euros from MoneyX of 448. Then we need to work out how much he would have got had he gone to Exchange to change his money, and that would be 400 times 1.115, and that gives us 446 euros. Now it asked us how many more euros will he get, so we need to work out the difference, and so Doug will get 2 euros more at MoneyX.